Hey guys, so I have lost the SD card for my camera. I have no idea where it's at, but I really wanted to get this video recorded for you guys so that you could see and know what my experience was with Brandless. I know everybody's kind of seen that floating around YouTube, and I was interested to see what it is, so I'm going to show you what I hauled and also tell you about the shipping and how long it took and what I paid and all that kind of stuff. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I got here to show you is this olive oil and sea salt hummus chips. I haven't tried anything. Everything feels like, it's not squished or anything like that. So I got that. I got nut and caramel chews, almond and maple. They're non-GMO. They're brandless, no artificial flavors. Everything is supposed to be non-GMO or organic. You know, really healthy things, good natural things to go in your body. Coconut lemon cream cookies. These look really good. I'm just going to warn you guys, I did get a lot of cookies. I couldn't help myself. Let's see. This is the original beef jerky. It's organic, made from 100% grass-fed beef. That's awesome. There is only 1.7 ounces in this package, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know what size all beef jerky is when you buy it in the store, but I feel like you always get a very small amount. Alright, I got double chocolate cookie thins. It's also no preservatives, artificial flavors, all that. That looks really good. I'm excited to try those. And I will be trying some of these out for you guys. This is chocolate chip cookie thins. Are they as good as Chips Ahoy? We shall see. Oh, let's see how many ounces are in this. 4.5. That one's also 4.5. Now this one is 10.5. This one's 3.35. And there's 5 ounces in the chips. Then I got these quick cook steel cut oats. There's 24 ounces in this. They're organic, whole grain, good source of fiber. I'm really excited about those because that's a lot. That's a lot of oats. Alright. Salted caramel cookie thins. This is 4.5 ounces. Also good for you. Next, I got dark chocolate and peanut butter bars. There's 3 1.76 ounce bars in here. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, no artificial colors. So I'm excited to see what those taste like. Okay, then I got, because nuts are so expensive, these are roasted and salted cashews. So there's no artificial flavors or preservatives in these, and they're 5 ounces. And I thought they looked really good on the website. And let's see, I got a bag of coffee. This is medium roast, organic fair trade, Colombian coffee, 6 ounces. That's probably not the best price on coffee, especially when you coupon, but I wanted to try it. Then I got this maple syrup. We love maple syrup. It's 100% pure maple syrup. Let's look at the ingredient list. Pure organic maple syrup. So I really like that. And I'm pretty sure that this Brandless company is in San Francisco. Next I got this dish soap. I was really excited about this. It reminds me, like the look in the bottle and everything, of the Mrs. Meyer's type dish soap. There's 16.5 ounces in that. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated as I use this stuff. And then I got this free. It's animal cruelty free. 5 ounces. So I'm excited to try that. I love a good face scrub. So this is everything I got. There's no tax on this stuff. And everything I got here was $39. Sorry about the lighting, guys. All these things were $39. I did have free shipping because I think if you spend $30, you get free shipping. Here's the thing, though. I ordered this on July 26th, and it took exactly 7 days to get it. So I ordered it on a Tuesday, and I didn't get it until the following Tuesday. The reason I mention this is because when you order it, it tells you 3 to 5 days FedEx. So it was definitely not quick shipping. It wasn't 3 days. And I know when I watched Brittany Vasseur, her video, Vasseur Beauty, on this is how I found out about it to start with. Hers came in like 2 days, I think, is what she says in her video. I'm not sure. You guys should go and watch her video to make sure, but she talked about how quick the shipping was, and mine was definitely not quick. So, especially when you're used to Amazon Prime, you know, you get everything in 2 days. So, let me see here what we're going to open and try. Okay, guys, so I decided to try the olive oil and sea salt hummus chips. This is what they look like. They're about the size of a $50. Let's see what they taste like. Very good. Very crunchy. Let's see. 20 chips has 100 calories. I like that. The ingredients are hummus crisp, chickpea flour, white rice flour, tapioca starch, cane sugar, salt, garlic powder, cumin, olive oil, and sea salt. There's Wrinkly. She's come to make an appearance. She's like, hey, I want a tater chip. These are good. They're not bad. They're crunchy. They taste like you've dipped your chip in hummus. So, I like them. They're different. I was just going to say, guys, I do like these. If you like hummus, you'll like these. And it would be a better, healthier alternative to chips, of course. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to try is the double chocolate cookie thins. Okay, guys, so they are also about the same size as the potato chips. And they're not, the chips weren't broken, and neither are the cookies. They're they're packaged very well. I do like that this is a zip top, too. So, the flavor is on point. These are delicious. They're not crispy. Like I was thinking they were going to be so thin that they were crispy crunchy. They're not. For me, they're the perfect crispy. They're not too hard. I don't like really hard cookie. So if you're looking for that super hard crispy cookie, this is not that. But if you're wanting something more than a chewy cookie, you'll like these. These are pretty good. So here's the ingredients list. It looks good. I don't really see anything that I cannot pronounce, or nor that I know what it is, that I don't know what it is. It looks pretty good. 7 cookies has 150 calories. Honestly, when I first look at that, I'm like, oh, that's not bad. I don't necessarily think that is bad. I think that's probably pretty good, really. But hang on, I do have some Chips Ahoy here. We'll look and see. So hang on. Okay, so here are the Chips Ahoy. Yeah, 3 of these cookies has 160, whereas 7 of these have 150. So you could definitely eat more of these. The fat is the same from 3 cookies to 7. So 8 grams. 8 grams. Carbohydrate. This has less carbs. This one has 22. They have the same amount of protein. So, if you want to feel more like you're eating more, these are definitely the way to go. But these are smaller than a Chips Ahoy. But I think I like these better, just for my health reasons. So anyway, guys, even though the shipping took what felt like forever, which really, it probably isn't a week, probably isn't that long from California, but I am going to make another order once we kind of go through what I've got here to try it again, because I do like it. I like the idea that everything's $3. I really like the idea that there's not any tax on it. I want to try some more of the household products. I will try this and see if I like it. And I'm pretty sure that I'm going to like the dish liquid. The only thing that's going to keep me from liking the dish liquid is if it doesn't suds. but I'm sure it will, and I'll try it. And if I hate it, you'll know. But stay tuned for an update on this, because when I do my next Brandless haul, there will be an update on all the products that you see here. So, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.